We've all been there. We've all been tempted by these incredible promises of earning thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars a month by sitting on our asses at home. I mean, who doesn't want to earn money without having to do anything? You can just enjoy a margarita on a yacht in the middle of the afternoon while your bank account just accepts deposits. That's the promise of passive income. That promise is a lie, and I'm going to tell you why. Hey, this is Lori Ortega, and I'm the CEO and founder of Viral Growth Media. We invest, fund, and partner with B2B coaching and consulting firms so they can scale up to 8 figures by helping them build the right client acquisition and operation systems with our viral sales method. And for this video, we're going to tackle one of the biggest scams in the online world. Passive income is going to make you rich. There are 2 things you need to know right now. 1, any money generating hack that tells you don't have to do any sort of work to earn a lot of money has a huge chance of being 1, illegal, or 2, a scam. Number 2, passive income is real and it can earn you millions of dollars, but only if you have millions of dollars to begin with. If you're just a regular person starting an online business with just $5, $10, or $20,000 in cash reserve, focusing and relying on passive income is a huge mistake. That's not going to be enough to live off of every month, much less accumulate wealth. I'm not saying passive income isn't going to earn you money. If we're talking passive income in terms of investments, stocks, real estate, crypto, and such, the dividends you'll get with a minimal amount of investment isn't going to net you enough to drink margaritas on a yacht. To really earn significantly on those investments, you have to invest millions of dollars. And I know you've heard of those tutorials about selling low ticket items like eBooks or mini courses that will run forever and you'll earn without doing anything. But you actually need to work on those. They need to be updated regularly if you want to stay relevant. And because they're low ticket, you have to sell thousands if you want to see any sort of return. And the truth is, these low ticket items will probably net you $500 to $1,000 a month, which is honestly isn't enough. It's not going to cut it. It's not a reliable source of living, and you can forget about scaling your business. If you really want to build your business and build wealth, you cannot rely on passive income. You can't expect to build an empire by earning small change. You need to find a way to earn money, allow you to live, invest back into your business, and eventually build wealth. And you can't do that without doing the work. As a business owner, you need to focus on the parts of your business that would bring you 5, 6, 7-figure revenues, and none of these are passive income channels. These are your high ticket offers that are valued at $5,000 and up. You then take that revenue and invest it back into your business so that you can earn more. The only time you should think about passive income is in terms of investments. Is when you have enough cash reserves to make significant earnings. If you want to learn more about scaling your business so that you can generate 6 and 7-figure revenues, you can book a call with us, and our brand curators can take a look at your current business model, your sales process, all that fun stuff, and give you helpful advice and a game plan to move forward. Who knows? Your business might be something we'd want to partner with and fund. I'll put a calendar link below so you guys can take advantage of that. And if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions for us, leave a comment and we'll try to answer and even make a video about it in the future. I'll see you guys on the next video.